Hey guys, my name is Din Ginto from dinonlinepitch.com and you're watching one of my review videos for the new product launches for online training and software products. Now stick around with me here because I'll be making a review about this new product launch called Pinnacle. Stay tuned. Now in today's video, I'll be making a review and demo of how Pinnacle works. Now as a reminder, the discounted price for this digital product launch is limited time offers. So you make sure that you pick this up before the price will go up soon. And now to get this discounted price, you can actually go ahead and click the link down below in this video to check it out. And I'm also offering you my free bonuses and we'll show you how you can get this product from here so you can actually retrieve my free bonuses offer by clicking the link down below in this video. Just keep an eye onto my bonus banner and we'll go from there. Now I'm here inside of the members area of Pinnacle. Now to put it briefly, Pinnacle is actually an online marketing application that will let you create content for your affiliate links using the Google app over here. Setting to enable your YouTube account right over here in this section here, and then pretty much from here you can start adding videos from TikTok, where you can actually search for trending videos to be used to add onto your marketed content creation for your YouTube video. Now if you put them all together, you can actually add traffic to this over here, and then this way you can actually send your content to your buyer offers and earn commission this way with just a simple step-by-step, easy to follow with video training right over here provided inside of Pinnacle. Now I want to talk about the benefits of Pinnacle. Now this is an all-in-one marketing creation so that you don't have to do the hard work, so you don't have to have all these tabs open just so you can add everything up, and pretty much it's a lot of steps, whereas Pinnacle provides you everything in here. So all you got to do is just go over here step by step and just kind of move on to the next step, and pretty much everything you need here is all automated for you, so you can create your content offers, and basically all you have to do is find a certain niche that you want to add your affiliate link on here so you can get buyer traffic instantly. Now this is also great for medium experienced online marketers to be able to start using this tool, so they can automate the process of offering their buyer links to leads, so they can experience automating their affiliate offers and get commissions right away. Now if you have been trying to send offers to no avail, then this software is good for you. Now over here, let's start from the Google app settings. Now this is the basically the dashboard of Pinnacle. As you can see, this is actually the dashboard, and then here is actually the Google app settings. Now this is where you can set up your Pinnacle app settings for Google, and then right over here is where you can import the channels. Okay, and then it's going to take a while. This is where you can actually add social accounts. Okay, oops, I went too far ahead to myself. So over here you can add your channel from your YouTube, and you can actually see all your over here is your placeholder image, your views, videos, and subscribers. And if you click over here under TikTok video maker, so as you can see here, this is pretty much where you can search all the trending offers that you can add to your creating your videos or for your video marketing use. And so this is where you can read the legal terms of use, just in case for legal purposes. And over here is where you can search, enter the niche that you wanna search for the video. So let's start with money making, and pretty much you hit search. So as you can see here, it's gonna give you a video about money making. You can use that if you want. Then if you wanna work with this video, you can hit that pencil icon, and then it's gonna take you to a video creator, as you can see here. Now it's gonna take a while because my laptop is acting funny lately. So this is the video from TikTok. So all you got to do is pretty much you can add the designs over here, add images, text, elements, filters, or audio. So basically you're trying to edit the video from TikTok over here so that you can personalize how you want this video to look. Okay, and let me just close that one. So that's how you can look up videos from TikTok. Now if you're wondering why TikTok videos, because TikTok videos are trending and you can get a lot of buyer traffics from TikTok videos. And so so over here, these are the trending videos, and pretty much this is a good way to find trending videos that you can actually use for your online marketing. Now over here is the created videos. So this is all you're gonna see, the created videos that you've created from the TikTok video maker. Or you can do a create new video over here as well, but I'd rather go to TikTok video maker, find your video of your choice, and then just create your own video in this option here, so that when you go to created videos, you're gonna see all the videos from TikTok that you just created here. Over here is the TikTok hashtags. Now over here is where you pretty much look for the keyword, so you can use it as for your TikTok hashtags. So you can either do affiliate marketing, or if you are into diet niche, then you can pretty much search diet, hit search, and then you can use that keyword for TikTok hashtags. Now next would be the channel manager. Then over here is where you can see the like comment campaign. Over here is the subscription campaign, and here is the video manager, and next would be the playlist manager, and here is the upload video. So this is pretty much your channel manager. So it's kind of like you're managing this, you're managing all your video creations here pretty much. Then here is the template manager. So you can do an auto reply template, and then you can also do an auto comment template. So pretty much these are templates that that's here. I'll show you what I mean. You can pretty much create your own template here. So you can add a name, and do you want to delete offensive comments? If you choose yes, then just set it that way. And reply type, generic. You can do a filter, word. I would stick to generic type, and then you can enter a message here for your generic reply, and then you just hit the create template. Then here is the search engine. So pretty much you can do a YouTube video search here. All you got to do is set up the Google API keys, and then you are good to go with doing a video search from YouTube. Here is the channel YouTube search here. Then again, I haven't really set up the API keys, so that's why it's asking me to add one. And so pretty much as soon as you set this up here onto Google app settings, then you'll be able to navigate through the options for the video channel and the playlist as well. But let me show you what the playlist looks like. So like I said, I haven't really set up the Google API keys, but you're gonna see a difference in on this area here as soon as you set up your Google API keys onto the Google app settings. Now here is the keyword finder. Again, pretty much this is a useful tool for you to search the correct keyword finder, because that's how you can pretty much get the right buyer traffic for your content. Now here is the auto reply. Create a campaign for your reply, for the auto reply basically. Now here is the rank tracking, so you can pretty much create a campaign for your video rank tracking in this section here. And next would be the link wheel. Now again, you create a campaign for the video link wheel so that you can pretty much submit a campaign for the video link wheel option. So if you have any questions about how to use this further, this is actually gonna take you to the training in a different tab. All you gotta do is first you click the link to register and check out all the upgrades available here. This is where you can access your bonus here, and all the way down here are the training videos. So as you can see here, if you're unsure of when to start or how to start using Pinnacle, just go over here at the bottom of this section here and just press training, and you can go ahead and watch each training so that you can pretty much have an idea on how you can start using Pinnacle. So here are the demo video, how to get started, pretty much right here on the bottom of the demo video. So as you can see here, it's going to show you how to pretty much use each step by step on how to get started. And if you keep scrolling down, here is more trainings on how to use this platform. Now this is it for the Pinnacle members area, and so I want to move on to my bonuses here. Now I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you who like to pick this up by my link, which is down below in the description of this video. Now if you click on the link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And if you want to pick up Pinnacle, this is going to go live on September 3rd. That's when you'll be able to click on any of these red buttons here to go through to the sales page, which looks like this. And this is where you can pretty much go ahead and pick this up. So the button here is going to show up, and then just go ahead and click that red button, and then you can actually get access to Pinnacle that way from my bonus page. And then when you need to pick up this product, you want to make sure to keep an eye onto my bonus page timer, because you need to make sure to pick this up before my countdown timer runs out, because when the timer runs out from my bonus page, you won't be able to get access to my bonuses, and that's obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on. Now over here is to claim these bonuses. They are 100% free of charge and instantly delivered to you. And all you need to do first of all is click on that link down below in the description that comes through my bonus page here. Just scroll down and click on any of these red buttons here to go through to the sales page, which you can pretty much go ahead and pick this up. Now if you have any questions about this, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page and send me a message right there, and I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. Now over here to claim this bonuses, they are 100% free of charge and instantly delivers to you. So now all you need to do first of all is you can click the link down below in the description of this video, and you can get access to my bonus page. And once you scroll down a little bit, you can actually find the button here to secure access of the copy of your bonuses, and including the access to Pinnacle. So when you purchase Pinnacle from the link down below in my video, you can secure all my bonuses, and it will be delivered to you automatically for free. And then pretty much this product costs about one-time price of $19. And so if you're interested in upgrading your front-end purchase, for those of you who are interested in scaling up your online marketing needs so you can get more access to the upgrades to help meet your needs for your online business. Now, please consider checking out the upgrades if you want to increase your chances of earning more money. So over here is the available upgrades of Pinnacle. Pretty much here are the available OTO is what you call it, or as known as upgrades. So over here is the upgrades, and then you can go ahead and check that out here onto the training videos part of the Pinnacle. And all you gotta do is pretty much check this out here, and they'll give you more information about the upgrades of Pinnacle. Now, when you click the link down below in the description to purchase Pinnacle, I will offer you my free bonuses. Now, this is my way of saying thank you so much for taking the time to watch my review videos. So after purchasing through my link, I will give you my free bonuses. So make sure to click the link down below in the description of my videos. And if you have any questions about my bonuses, please feel free to follow me on my Facebook page, which you will find down below in the description of my videos, or in my YouTube About Me section, and you can send me a message right there. Now remember, the early bird pricing is frozen at $19 for the launch period of Pinnacle. Now once again, don't forget to check out my bonuses because they are super valuable, and it's only going to be available for the first 3 days of the launch. And it's going to be removed at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on September 6th. So you make sure to look out for that when you pick this up. Now all of my bonuses are all included, even if you just buy the front end, which is only going to be $19 in price. So that brings me to the end of this video. Now thank you so much for watching my Pinnacle review. Now I hope you enjoy my review video, and make sure to click the link below to purchase Pinnacle at a discounted price. And also don't forget my free bonuses that you can check out down below in the description of this video. I'll see you guys on the next video, and thanks again for watching my review video. Now make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video.